You people have no idea for how long I've been waiting to post this content, guys. I've had Lenovo's Legion Go gaming console for almost 3 months. If you guys remember, during October time, I believe, we went to Singapore. I've made a lot of vlogs also. We basically went for Lenovo's Legion Asia Pacific tour, and over there we got our hands on these exclusive products. And not only the Legion Go, we also got to check out the Legion glasses as well, new gaming laptops like the Legion 7i, Legion 9i also, and finally we are getting to post our content slowly one by one. So there are a lot of exciting videos coming up, guys, so make sure to smash that like button and also click the notifications bell icon on so you can check out all of these exclusive content first in India. Not just the Legion Go, as you can see, we even have the Legion glasses as well. These are like your personal wearable AR glasses, and it's like literally having a cinema theater in front of your eyes. This is also a very cool tech, guys, so make sure to click the notifications bell icon on, because I'll be posting my unboxing video of the Legion glasses next after this video. So you people know, right, Legion Go is like a Windows 11 powered handheld gaming console, and you can literally play all your favorite PC AAA title games in the size of your hand. It's got crazy next level features plus like a completely new design, guys, 2-in-1 modular design. Why am I calling that? Because this gaming console can literally transform into a Windows 11 tablet as well. Very interesting features. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Legion Go from Lenovo came in this sort of box packaging, and my god, I'm like very hyped up and excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. This is like an exclusive unboxing happening in India, guys. On the front you have the Legion branding, Lenovo specs and configuration mentioned over here. Legion Go packs a massive 8.8 inches quad HD plus display with a super fast 144 Hz display. If you go to the backside here, you can check out its specs and configuration. It's available in two different variants. You get Ryzen Z1 and Z1 Extreme edition. We have the top of the line edition, guys, powered by AMD's Ryzen Z1 Extreme. So as soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Legion Go from Lenovo came in this sort of box packaging. Very nice, I would say. Experience definitely seems like pretty good, and you're also getting like a free carry case included with the product. Very good quality case, guys, hard shell case I would say, and comes in this fabric sort of finishing. You also have a handle at the top side so you can easily carry it anywhere. Legion branding at the top side. Keeping the carry case aside, in the package you're also getting some paperwork, must be warranty related stuff, just make sure to read that. Plus you're also getting an accessory box over here. Wonder what's inside? Okay, as I've told you, it comes included with a Type-C 65-watt super rapid charger. So that is basically it. These are all the accessories you got in the package. Now let's finally get our hands on the product and talk about the design, build quality and all of its specs and highlights. As soon as you open the case, there you go, we have the brand new Legion Go nicely packed over here, and as I've told you, it's available only in one color, which is shadow black. Anyways, there you go, our very first hands on the Legion Go, and my god, initial impressions, I have to say, this is one massive handheld gaming console, guys. I mean, come on, we've already seen so many handheld consoles in the market, but this takes things to the next level, I would say. Keeping that aside, you're also getting one more accessory over here. Basically this is like a stand. I've told you, right, the Legion Go has like multi modes, and the controllers on it are actually detachable, so you can actually connect that right side controller to the stand and basically convert it into a mouse, so you can use it for FPS games as well. Like, how sick is that? So that was our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality. Again, I do have to mention, this is not like a dedicated review because we have an embargo for that. So once the embargo lifts only, I'll be sharing my full detailed feedback and review, guys. This is mostly like an initial impressions and feedback on the product. Anyways, if you talk about the design, right, beautiful looking design and initial impressions, you might feel that, my god, that is one massive looking portable handheld console, right? I mean, look at the size and dimensions. It is literally around like 11.5 to 12 inches in length and is slightly on the heavier side only, guys. Roughly weighs around like 854 grams. But let me tell you, once you actually start using it, you play a lot of games on a day-to-day basis, right? There is no going back, and the main reason for that is that absolutely beautiful looking display. It comes with a 8.8 inches quad HD plus 2560 by 1600 resolution IPS level display with a super fast 144 Hz refresh rate, guys. And not to miss out the comfort as well, despite the size, right, it is actually quite comfortable in the hand. The Joy-Cons, all the buttons, the joysticks, everything are like decently placed and are quite easily accessible, guys. I didn't face any sort of hassle at all. Legion Go's body has a 3-piece construction and has a 2-in-1 convertible design. As I've told you, you can convert it from a handheld gaming console into a Windows 11 tablet as well. The controllers on board are actually detachable. Lenovo is calling them as Legion True Strike controllers and is very easily removable, guys. I'll show you that also in this video. First of all, let me give you a closer look and show you you all the buttons and ports. Plenty of buttons and controls are there, and plus they're also customizable as well. You're getting two analog joysticks, and these are Hall effect joystick, guys. And how can you miss out that beautiful ring RGB lighting around the joysticks, fully customizable using Legion software. You're getting a glossy finished D-pad just below that, and look at this, multitasking and start button is also there, and you're getting two Legion custom buttons at the top side, using which you can access a lot of gaming profiles. You can adjust the TDP, fan control, and all of that. Going to the right side, here you have your glossy finished XYAB buttons, and quality of the buttons is also nice, definitely tactile and clicky feedback. And below that is one of its main highlights. This thing literally comes with like a touchpad, which is nowhere to be seen on any other competitive product. It is actually very useful, and you can literally use it like, touchpad on your laptop. Going to the top side, here's how the top profile looks like. Plenty of buttons and ports. This one is your power button, followed by 3.5mm headphone jack is also there, and you see this cutout. This is basically your exhaust to let the heat escape and keep the device running cool. Beside that, you also have like a micro SD card reader. So yes, the storage on it is expandable, followed by a Type-C port, and it's a USB 4.0 Type-C port that even supports DP port 1.4. Volume rocker, volume down and volume up buttons are there, and you see these tiny grills over here. These are your stereo speakers. Legion Go features two 2-watt speakers, so totally you can expect around like 4 watts of audio output. And as usual, just like any other gamepad or controller, right, you obviously are getting like bumpers and triggers as well. Good quality finishing, and as I've told you, it features like multiple number of macro buttons on the controllers. All of these are customizable using Legion software. You're getting M1 and M2 macro buttons on the right controller. There is nothing on the left profile, and if you look at the bottom side of the right controller, right, this is what I was talking about. It can literally transform into a mouse. You're getting like a mouse sensor over here, and simply toggle the slide switch to FPS mode, and that's it. You can easily play all your FPS games on this gaming console like Valorant, Fortnite. And here's how the back profile of the Legion Go looks like. Very good build quality, guys. It's like a mix between polycarbonate and metal, I would say. Controllers looks like they're made of like polycarbonate only, but the back of the body is entirely made of metal. You have the Legion branding over here, and lots of cutouts and vents. Again, these are your air intakes, guys. There's a fan integrated over here that keeps the system running cool. And yes, you're getting complete fan control in the Legion software. Not to miss out, you're getting 4 more custom buttons at the back of the controllers, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. There's also a scroll wheel present on the right joystick. And if you're wondering what are these tiny buttons on both the controllers, so these are basically your locks. You'll need to click on that, slide down the controllers, and you can easily detach them. As simple as that. So that was our quick overview on the design and exteriors part. Now let me quickly power it on and show you how the software features and also the home screen experience look like. At the beginning, I've told you that Legion Go is basically like a Windows 11 powered handheld gaming console, right? It's literally like having your Windows laptop in the size of your palm. Look at that. This is how the home screen on it looks like. Unfortunately, I cannot go deep down and show you all the software related features specifically designed for the console, and also I cannot talk about the performance or either it be benchmarks. You'll have to wait for that because there's an embargo for the Indian region. Once that lifts, right, I'll show you complete gameplay details. How does the Legion Go perform at different TDPs on battery and even on power and at different profiles as well. So you'll have to stay tuned for that, and let me know what sort of game should we test out on this thing, and we'll definitely do that. Now talking about the price, in the other regions, if you talk about US region, right, starting price of this product is somewhere around like $699 US. So if you roughly translate that, right, maybe in India pricing might start somewhere around maybe 50 to 60,000. We are not sure still, but if I get the official information, right, I'll definitely share it to you people in the review video, guys. So stay tuned for that. What do you people think about this product? Let me know, and I'll love to read your thoughts. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out something exclusive over here, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.